So you've taken the bolt out of your Sideswipe pen and have accidentally lost one of the balls in the mechanism. Let me show you now how I replace a ball that has fallen out. We put this out here first. The balls do not like to fall out. They don't want to fall out, but they can fall out when you take the bolt out. The best way to stop them from falling out is to leave your refill with its spring in the pen when you take it out. The refill will bottom out on the screws and the balls, and hold them in place while you change your bolt out. But if you do lose a ball, let's flip the phone around and I will show you how to fix that. So if you look down here, let's see if focus. You can see that there are 3 balls in that brass piece down there, and that is the mechanism. So in the closed position, so if you've got this up here, this is where the balls sit. And I say that because a ball carrier has 6 holes on the inside. It has a through hole and then one on the other side, which is the actual hole for the ball. So do your best to not get them lined up. It should be pretty easy. If you've only lost one, if you lose all 3, then you got to be a lot more careful that you get them set in the right hole. But if you do need to do that, what I do is I use a piece of wire and a bit of grease on the end. Doesn't really matter what grease you use. Side note, Krytox, if you want your Sideswipe to be even smoother than it is, this little bit of grease on your bolt tracks, on the tracks in your bolt, oh, so good. Anyways, okay, so with that blob of grease, you can pick up one of these 1/16 ceramic balls, and then you reach down inside and kind of get it to work down there. It's not particularly easy, difficult, it's just a little tedious. Depth perception is a bit of a problem. It's quite hard to find that hole, but it's relatively simple. So that is how you replace a ball in your carrier. If you do lose a ball, I can usually send you replacements via letter mail. You just gotta contact us. I'm happy to send you them for free, and have a fantastic weekend, everybody.